Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Jalal udeen Muhammad Akbar, Mughal king. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon, and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, Jalal udeen Muhammad Akbar was descended from Turk, Mongol and Iranian, the three people who predominated in the political elite of northern India in medieval time. Among his ancestors were Timur and Genghis Khan. His father Humayun, driven from his capital of Delhi by the Afghan usurper Sher Shah Suri, was vainly trying to establish his authority in the Sindh region, now Sindh province, Pakistan. Soon Humayun had to leave India for Afghanistan and Iran, where the Shah lent him some troops. Humayun regained his throne in 1555, 10 years after Sher Shah Suri's death. Friend, Akbar at the age of 13 was made governor of the Punjab region, now largely occupied by Punjab state, India and Punjab province, Pakistan. Friends, he was Mughal king. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Goodbye.